Okay, this is a very unexpected video. All right. Every day at 4 p.m., I collect the Woodcrest Bruderhof's chicken eggs. So I basically end up collecting, it's about 39 to 40 dozen eggs. Okay. And usually every day's the same, and I collect the eggs and I wash them and I box them up and I bring them to the communal place where everyone just picks them up and takes them home to eat for breakfast or baking or whatever. Today I go and I was collecting the eggs, and look what I found. This, my friends, is an egg. And as you can see, it is not the regular shape. So, first of all, I think it's pretty hilarious. And second of all, it just made me think about a couple things. The first thing I thought of was, should I throw this thing away? Is there a yolk? What happened to the poor chicken trying to lay this egg? Anyway, I just wanted to share it with you, and I want you to give me feedback. Should I eat this? I can keep it for a couple of days. Should I throw it out? What shall I do? But this is probably the most bizarre looking chicken egg I've ever seen. Anyways, hopefully that humors you a little bit today, but that's just something I saw today, and I was like, what? So I had to show it to you guys and share it with you. Anyways, let me know. What should I do? Should I eat it or should I not? It'll be on my countertop until you let me know. Have a great day. And by the way, I don't think Maureen would want to eat this thing, but maybe I'll save it till she gets home. See, I honestly cannot decide. Should I fry this for Maureen and then show her what it looked like and prank her? Or would that be too mean? It's a pretty scary looking egg, but there it is. I'll save it, I think, till she gets home and then show her. She doesn't know I'm posting this video, but let me know what I should do.